In this video, I will guide you to learn more about the features in the General Settings section of GPM Login. The first is the location of your profile on your computer. In this section, this can be changed in case you want to create a new profile folder to import the old profile. Want to create completely new profiles? The next option is to select the file format when exporting. Import, backup data you can to default mode. Software supports 3 kinds of languages: Vietnamese, English and Chinese. For profile saving modes, you can choose to save at your computer or save on S3 Amazon AWS. The software interface has 2 light and dark modes for users to choose from. About the settings for the browser, the user can integrate into the option on demand. Like reopening the tab that was active in the previous session, auto-delete cast not using trash feature. In the default parameters section of the profile, when adjusting the configuration in this, new profiles will be configured the same way. Recommended for default installation. Depending on the platform, users can set the parameters according to the needs of use. Install the extension in the default and use General. When installed here, new profiles will have the extension installed by default. More details of the extension will be shown in the next videos. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel.